Hi guys, this is Angela Simmons with Premier Homes by Angela. The key to your real estate experience, 678-412-0373 is how you can get in contact with me. I am in Fayetteville today. As you can see, a home is, they're packing everything up. And so I wanted to show you the home that we are in, the Spencer community. Beautiful area. Retail is right up the street, all major grocery stores, retail stores, restaurants is right up the street. And this particular home that we are about to look at is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. So please, if you know someone in the area that is looking for a home, please share my video, comment below. If you're listening to the recording, still comment below, inbox me. I would love to be able to assist you, family, friends, with any of their real estate needs. All right, well, I'm gonna turn you around and we're gonna go inside. All right, let me show you the side of the home. It's a big, beautiful tree here. We have a fenced-in patio here. Previous owner had a lovely dog. And here's the back side of the home that comes with all of this property. So it'd be great for gardening. Great for family entertainment. And we come to the front of the home. So storage is here right in the foyer area when you're first coming in. And here is your living space, living room area. 2 ceiling fans, nice brick fireplace. Here is your formal dining room. that leads out to the fenced-in patio. And here's your kitchen. And your first bathroom. And the first bedroom. Closet organizer. Back out into the kitchen. Double oven range. Your laundry room. And your master owner suite. French doors that lead into the master owner's bathroom. And here are your closets, both with organizers inside of them. His and her closets. And here's the fabulous jetted soaking garden tub. Yes, something we all need. Your double vanities with a separate shower. So if you'd like more information about this property, then give me a call. 678-412-0373. The key to your real estate experience and If you have any questions, then please send them in comments below, or you can inbox me. We'll love to be able to assist you, your family. Have a great one. Bye.